Welcome to AtlanticBeds.com. When we design a mattress, there's two primary questions that we ask. Number one is what's going to make that mattress the most comfortable for the most amount of people? And number two is what's going to make it the most durable? Adding more pasta to a pasta dish doesn't make it a better meal. Just like adding more material in a mattress doesn't make it a better mattress. You use the best ingredients to make the best meal. We use the best ingredients to make the best mattress. This is the core to our most popular mattress. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by Leggett Platt. The design has two perimeter rows on the outside that are a smaller diameter and a heavier gauge to give you the proper edge support. You can see, even with motion in the bed, the edge remains strong. The interior caliper coils are a little bit larger in diameter, are in there to get you the proper spinal alignment on the mattress. When we use the Quantum Edge spring, especially in a split king, the tight rows of quantum coils, the small diameter, heavier gauge coils, actually double up in the center. And what that does is it stops any roll together in the center of the split king. This is a talometer. It's a machine designed to measure the amount of airflow through different materials. It has fans that draw air through the chamber and up the tube, which demonstrates the airflow through the machine. The first material I'm going to try is memory foam. A very comfortable material, but it doesn't allow much airflow. That'll make it hot to sleep on. One of the widest used latex in the industry is Dunlop, and when you place Dunlop on the machine, you'll see that again the airflow is restricted. The final material is Talalay. Talalay is what we use in our mattresses, and when it's placed on the machine, you'll see that the air comes right up through. You can actually place your hand on the top of the sample and feel it drawing through your fingers. Ultimately, customer satisfaction is our highest priority. And by having satisfaction that high, there was really only one way to achieve it, and that is by having a two-sided mattress. The advantage to the two-sided mattress is that it can be flipped over and increase the durability of the mattress set. Most people buy a split king because each side is independent and adjustable to its own sleeper. We don't cut corners. We use the finest materials that are available, and we never compress and we never roll pack your mattress. We deliver it right to your own room. Thank you for watching. We're open 365 days a year, and for your phone calls, we're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. For more information, please visit our website at AtlanticBeds.com.